guys, welcome to my channel. So I've been wanting to do this. A lot of you guys have told me I want to see Family Dollar hauls. I want to see Dollar General hauls. Well, Dollar General is a little bit further than me, but I actually have a Family Dollar right next to me, and I've been wanting to coupon there. A lot of you guys have done it. So Saturdays I usually have the 5 off of 25 thing, so does Dollar General, but I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So I ended up, I didn't take pictures, but I do have a breakdown for you guys, so I'll show you guys the picture after the end. So I ended up doing the Bic Soleil. Now they had some for $6, they had some for $6.50. I scanned the product. This one had a $3 off digital coupon for it. So $6, used a $3 off coupon, makes it $3 for that. I got the Bic Deuce. Now these were $1.90. There is a $2 off coupon. The coupon only will take off $1.90. It does not do overage. So you guys would get this absolutely for free. I was excited to see berry. I've never seen berry before. I'm pretty excited for this. So they have Febreze. These are $3 a piece. There is currently a 3 off of 2 digital coupons. So you guys would get both of these for $3 or $1.50 a piece. We got the whole blends, which you guys could do whole blends, or you guys could have done the Garnier Fructis. These were $3.50 each. There's currently a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would get these for just $3. So $3 if you need to do that, if I did my math right on that. Yes. Then there is the Snuggle. The Snuggle is on sale for $3.95. So this is a sale item, $3.95, and there's currently a $2 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would get this for just $1.95. And then with the Gain, this is also on sale for $3.95, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. So the total for all these items before the coupons is $28.80. So if you guys need to pause this is the breakdown for this. Then I used the 5 off of 20 Saturday digital. So my grand total came to be $8.90. This is $1.12 for each item, which is a pretty decent deal. I ended up saving $19.90 with just digital coupons. The cashier's like, this is awesome. She's like, I was not expecting that to come off. So I'm going to try to share with you guys more deals. I have to have several accounts to show you guys more deals, but I'm not going to get several accounts. I'm just going to keep the one account that I have and then continue sharing with you guys some deals, but I really want to shop at Family Dollar. So I just wanted to give you guys my breakdown in case you guys need to do something like this. But I mean, for $8.90, I think that's a pretty good deal because I think they sell the Gain for $5 anyways by itself. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next Saturday if there is another 5 off of 25 deal. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.